Hey, good morning. This is Laz from Mesa Balacing. On a Saturday morning, testing one of our MB800 naturally aspirated carbureted motors. 800 plus horsepower, 850 foot-pounds of torque, and hey, this is the answer to the blower motor. Check out the video on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. Thank you. Check out the video on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. Thank you. We specialize in high-performance engine development with full machine shop, dyno, and CNC facilities. For any questions, please feel free to contact us by email or phone call. And please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.